Hey, good afternoon. This is John Michael with Excel 2 Tech. And before we start to show this unboxing review on this Google Home, you might want to go out and put on mute your Amazon Alexa. And if you have a Google Home or a Google Mini, you might want to put that in mute as well. I'm going to give you a second to do that. And then I'm going to open up this Google Home right after this. All right, so I got this as a Christmas present from my staff. They know that I'm all into gadgets and all that, and so they got me this Google Home. And I thought I will do an unboxing for them as well, and kind of do a little comparison to the Amazon Echo. I do have the Echo here, and I'm going to bring it out, and we're going to do a little comparison of the two of what this is. This is the equivalent of the Amazon Echo. Amazon Echo, the Alexa, has been on for quite some time. Google is now getting into the mix with their hardware. This is very nice. It says it has far field voice recognition to support hands-free use. It's a 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi support for high-performance streaming. It's a simple setup with the Google Home app on the iOS and Android app. I have the iPhone 10, so we will be setting that up. High excursion speaker delivers high clear and rich bass for hi-fi sound. Multi-room playback for sync music across speakers. Some of the apps, Nest, Smart Things, Philip Hue. Some of the music is Pandora, TuneIn, Spotify, Google Play Music. I actually have Pandora. I have a subscription to that, so we'll get that going on there. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, here's nice little setup here. Very nice. This looks almost like an air freshener. Doesn't it? Very nice. This is kind of like a hard plastic, and this is like a cloth base here. It says that the speakers are here's the speakers. Very nice speakers, good. There are some different bases that you can change, and in fact I do have a base that we will change later on that, but I'll just lay that right here. Let's see what else is in the box. Here's the get up and set up touch control on top. Just start with OK Google. So now remember this we're going to start saying OK Google here. So if you got yours, you might want to put yours on mute. Here's the different colors of base that you can have if you wanted to kind of match your decor a little bit. All right. Hello. Nice little setup here. This fits nice and flush on the bottom. This is nice rubberized, so it's it's not going to slip or anything to that effect. It's got a mute button here. Two little lights. I think this is all this is touch sensor. We're going to find this out right now. And so let's just plug this in. All right, let's see what happens. Something's going on here. By the way, guys, while this is going on, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Give me some likes. Appreciate the comments that you have been giving me.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Hello. All right, let's do that. All right, so I've downloaded the Google Home app. It looks like a little house. Okay. All right, Google Home is ready.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant.
You
I'm
are?
here to help.
Oh.
To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, Google. What time is it?
It's 2:21.
Okay. Hey, Google, play some smooth jazz.
Playing your Pandora station called Smooth Jazz.
Hey, Google, what's the weather like today?
In Dewberry today, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 56 and a low of 39. It's currently 54 and sunny.
Hey, Google, stop. Now, did you notice how it did not stop playing the Pandora music? It just kind of lowered down, answered my question about the weather, so forth, so on. And then after that, it just came right back on to playing the music. I like that. Amazon Echo doesn't do that. We'll find this out here in a minute, but I really do like that. Hey, Google, let's play Crystal Ball.
Okay, let me find an appropriately weird tablecloth.
And there it is. Here we go.
If you can, get closer. Closer? Yes. Yes. Close your eyes and open your mind. The crystal ball shall reveal your destiny. Now ask a yes or no question.
Is this a good review?
The crystal ball says... Nope.
What?
The crystal ball doesn't know everything. You might want to ask a real person for a second opinion.
Hey, Google, tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. The right eye said to the left eye, between you and me, something smells.
Oh! All right, so I actually like this this little personal assistant, and I think it even has a nicer sound than the OK Google. We'll find out here right now. Let's bring on the main person here. Now I've changed the name to the Amazon because I don't want to call it Alexa. All right, a lot of you guys have Alexa, so I've changed it to Echo. Echo, what time is it?
The time is 2:25 p.m.
Okay. Hey, Google, what time is it?
It's 2:26.
Echo, how far is Best Buy in Sanford, Florida?
I found a Best Buy in Sanford. It's 9.2 miles away on Reinhardt Road. It's open now until 9 p.m.
Okay. Hey, Google, how far is Best Buy in Sanford, Florida?
If you drive, Best Buy is 10.9 miles away.
Seems like Echo gave me a little bit more information than Hey Google did. Hey Echo, play Michael Jackson from Pandora.
Getting your Michael Jackson radio station from Pandora.
Echo, next. Oh, we want to hear some bass here. Okay, Echo, stop. Hey Google, play Pandora Hip Michael Jackson.
Okay, here's a Pandora station called Michael Jackson Radio.
Hey Google, next. Hey Google, stop. Seems to me like the Google Assistant sound is a little bit more bassier, which I really like that than the. However, Amazon has been in the forefront. Amazon with the Echo here has been at this a lot longer, and I've had this now for over, oh my God, over a year, maybe two. I really enjoyed the Amazon Echo, and I have it hooked up to my Wemo lights. I tell it to turn on the lights, turn off the lights, turn on the TV, turn off the TV. Now I understand that the Google Home does that too, and so I'll be setting that up and making sure this look aesthetically a lot nicer. To be honest with you, this looks really nice. And when I get this nice copper base, it's even gonna look even nicer with that. This one is a nice cylinder. They don't sell this one anymore. This is the original. Now they got the ones a little smaller. They got different variations of that. But I tell you, I really like the Google Assistant, Google Home. Now, I also have the Google Mini, and I will be doing a review of that. And I also have a Amazon Echo Dot, and we'll do the comparison on those two as well here shortly. So, guys, if you like these videos, you know the drill. Give me some likes, throw a comment or two, share this video with a friend. And if you have subscribed, I appreciate you very much. If you haven't, please do so. Hit that bell for notifications when I bring out new videos. And I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.